Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with Lupita Aide. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you like the video at the end, please give us a like. Again, thank you so much for coming through my channel. So today we have our seasonal surprise fall 2019 box, and I am so excited. I was waiting for this. I just got my supplies box yesterday, and a few hours later when I got back from school, I found this in my room. Somebody had brought it in, and I can't wait to open it, you guys. So let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so if you order a box already and you don't know what's inside and you don't want to get, you want it to be a surprise, well, hope this doesn't ruin it. But if you are waiting for yours and it's on the way and you're dying to see what's in here, well, here it is. I have no idea of what's in here. I have not seen any video about it. Okay, here we go. And we go with a little message that reads, and all you do to it with gratitude. There you go. So beautiful. Okay, so here it is, this 2019 fall seasonal surprise box. Okay, ready to fall in love with fall? I adore this season that's so rich in inspiration. Okay, I don't know if you guys want me to really show you guys what's in the box with a picture, or just show you guys taking out every item. So let's just put this on the side and go straight to what's in here. Oh my goodness. So far I see that the colors are burgundy so far. Talking about school supplies, and this is one of the items. So it's a desk accessory set. Look at this. It comes with rubber bands, some paper clips. Let me see if I can open this. And it's funny because I was just organizing my stuff, and I have a little tiny table that I plan on using as a desk. Oh, there you go. So it has some little pins, paper clips. Here is the other regular shape. And there are 3 different colors, light pink. Ooh, beautiful. It's a whole set. And then we have our wine velvet pencil pouch. Oh, it's cute. This is just in case you want to put like few, if you're not the kind of person that carries a lot. Like this is like on the go. It's cute. I like the material. It's so soft, you guys. It's so soft. And then we have sticker sheet. This is a $7.50 value. There you go. Isn't this beautiful? And then the little ribbons right here. And we have more stickers. So you guys, the color looks different, but this is like dark, this is like burgundy, it's like greenish. Halloween is there already. Ah! And then we have these. Look at the gloves, so cute. Ready for the fall. Goodbye summer. All right. So, oh my goodness, look at this. Beautiful. What is this? This is a notepad. $10 value. Let's see. Top priorities, appointments, notes, and then it's a schedule of what to do every day. I love this. This is gonna go on top of my desk or my mini desk. I'm in love, you guys. And it's like if she knew I needed a ruler. I lost the one that comes in my planner. This is gorgeous. It's metal. And it's gold. Pretty. Which actually it's fits here, see? Even for school. I like it. Okay. And we have new planner covers. Flowers, some roses. 1, 2, 3. It's like 3 different flowers. Okay, this is so cute. So this is what we got in our box. So we have our new planner cover, pencil pouch, our desk accessory set, our ruler, our notepad, and some stickers. This is what we have. What do you guys think? So far, this is my second surprise box that I purchased, and so far I'm liking this one the most. Maybe because everything that it's in the box this fall I actually need. I needed the desk supplies. This is perfect because I can write down what I'm gonna do throughout the day, hourly. I know I have the planner, but you know, so you don't always open your planner every day, every morning. And this is great to just have laying on top of your desk. And then the stickers, they're all beautiful. I actually love the items that comes in the box. So now I'm just gonna let you see. So here are all the prices, the actual prices, and we got this box for $35. So $13 for the interchangeable cover and $7.50 for the sticker sheets. 3 of them. The gold metal ruler, $8.50. Functional notepad, $10. The desk accessories for $12, and the pencil pouch for $12. All of this for $35 if you purchase your seasonal surprise box. This is nice. So I'm gonna let you guys go with this. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give us that like. And if you are new to our channel, like I said, please subscribe so you can be part of this family and so you can watch more of this kind of video. Until then, I'll see you guys until my next video. Bye bye.